In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up a virtual environment for Python development using Visual Studio Code. A virtual environment is an isolated workspace that allows you to manage dependencies for your projects separately, ensuring that different projects can use different versions of packages. Step 1. Install Python. To begin setting up your development environment, you first need to install Python on your computer. First, open your web browser and type "download Python" into the search bar. Press enter, then click on the official Python website from the search results to make sure you're downloading it from a trusted source. On the official Python website, click the Download Python 3.14.3 button to start downloading Python. If you're looking for Python for Windows, click on the Windows link. For Linux or Unix users, click the Linux/Unix link to download. For Mac users, click the MacOs link and download the latest version of Python. For Android devices, Python is not installed directly from the official website. Instead, you can install a Python app from the Google Play Store, such as a Python interpreter or coding environment. Click the other platforms link to find more installation options for AIX, HPUX, IBM I, iOS, and iPadOS. Go back to the official page and click on Download Python 3.14.3. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded package and click on it to start installing Python on your computer. The introduction provides an overview of the downloaded package. Press Continue to proceed. The README file contains additional information about Python, including features, installation notes, and useful tips. Click Continue to proceed. The license agreement explains the terms and conditions for using Python. Read through it carefully. Once complete reading, click Continue to proceed. A pop-up window shows to continue installing the software. You must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. Click Agree to continue. The installation type screen displays the total space the installation will require and shows where Python will be installed. A pop-up window shows installer is trying to install the software. Type a username that you used to log into your computer, along with the password. Once completed, click Install Software to continue. A pop-up window will show that installer would like to access files in your downloaded folder. Click OK to continue. After you finish selecting the installation options and reviewing the settings, the installer will start installing Python. You'll see a progress bar showing the installation status. After the installation is complete, a folder will pop up displaying all the files and tools that were installed with Python. Once everything is installed, click the Close button to finish the installation. Python is now ready to use on your computer. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to move the Python installer to the trash. Click Move to Trash to remove the installer. Go to your Applications folder and open the Python 3.14 application. From there, click on Idle, which is Python's built-in interactive editor, to start writing and running Python code. The idle shell 3.14.3 will pop up. Type print hello world to check that Python is working. Then type print Python lesson and press enter to display the text in the idle shell. Step 2. Install and set up a virtual environment. After installing Python, the next step is to create a virtual environment for your project. First, make a directory folder called Lesson in Visual Studio Code. Then use the cd command to change directory into the lesson folder. Open the lesson folder and create a file called main.py. Then, click on Select Interpreter and Visual Studio Code. This will open a list of all available Python interpreters on your system. From the list, choose your preferred Python version. Write your first Python program. Inside the main.py file, type a simple print statement to test that everything is working correctly. For example, write print hello world in the file. This basic command will display the message hello world in the terminal when you run the program. Inside the terminal, type the command python 3m to create a new virtual environment for your project. This command uses Python's built-in venv module to generate a folder named venv, which will contain a separate Python interpreter and all necessary files. This isolated environment helps you manage project-specific dependencies without affecting your system-wide Python setup. In the terminal, type source venv activate to activate your virtual environment on macOS or Linux systems. Once activated, you will notice the environment name, such as venv, appear at the beginning of your terminal prompt, indicating that the virtual environment is now in use. This ensures that any packages you install or run will be contained within this isolated setup using Python. For example, if you run the command pip install Django, it will install Django only within your activated virtual environment instead of your global Python installation. This means the package will be available only for this specific project, helping you avoid version conflicts and keeping your development environment clean and organized. Lastly, you can type deactivate in the terminal to exit the virtual environment. This command returns your terminal to the system's default Python interpreter, ensuring that any further Python commands or package installations won't affect the project-specific environment you created. It's a simple but important step to safely manage multiple projects with different dependencies. You have successfully set up a Python virtual environment in Visual Studio Code. Your project now has an isolated workspace where you can install packages, manage dependencies, and run Python code without affecting your system-wide Python installation. With this setup, you're ready to start developing Python applications efficiently, knowing that each project can maintain its own environment and dependencies safely.